Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom social media thumbnail to your article. So if I copy this URL and add it on Facebook, I will see only this thumbnail image and this title, but I can do better than that. I can add some text to this thumbnail and change this title and add some description. So let's find out how this post look like on Facebook. So to do that, I search Google Facebook URL debugger, and I go to first link. You have to log into your Facebook account to access this page, and I paste this URL and I click on debug. When I click on debug, I get how it look like. So currently it look like this is my thumbnail, this is the tagline, or this is title, but I can customize those details. So if I go to my article, it only get this first line and this title and the thumbnail. So let's customize it. So I go to edit post and scroll down. You must have SEO Yoast plugin installed in your website. So I use Yoast SEO plugin. Also I have video about how to set up Yoast SEO. So let's go to social. When I go to social, there has Twitter and Facebook. Actually I don't use Twitter because I didn't get any luck on Twitter, so I focus on Facebook. So in here I can add title and I can add description. Also I can add image. So let's add the title. Let's go to here and let's add this title. This title here. Nope. Let's copy this title and go here. Yeah, I just add this title: 15 online jobs to make money, make full-time income from home. This is the title, and I can add some description. So to add description, I will add this text, but you can add customized description. Don't add this text because it's not so good. So let's add real description. So I need to add some emojis. Next I need to add description. So to add description, I need some emojis. So I search on Google. Let's search it. Emoji text. Let's search emoji text on Google, and I go to this website. Then let's see. Yeah, those emojis are not cool. Let's get emojis from this link. So this is complete video, so it will take few minutes. Okay, now I will add this emoji to description. Copy it and paste on here. I don't need this one. Oh, it's not cool. Let's get this one, and let's get this one, and let's get another one. Let's get this one too. So now, are you looking for? Are you looking for make money from home? Are you looking for great money from home? And okay, there has 15 online jobs that can make full-time income. Feel free to check more in feel free to check the article, and you can do better than this. So they have full time. Okay, it's perfect. And now I need image. I need image. So to get image, I have to go pixabay.com. Let's put it on Pixabay. Yep, let's go to Pixabay and I search success, and what will be the great? Yeah, this one cool. So I will get this image. So I open Photoshop and I click on new. So my image size is, what is the image size? It will be 1200 and 600 by 70, no, 600 by 28. Yeah, this is the size, 628 and 102. I don't remember exact size, but this will be work. So I copy this image and paste it on here. Then I make it bigger, like this, and I get this, what is this tool, rectangle marquee tool, and I select from here, select like that, and I click on shift and backspace. Then I click on OK. Now it will be filled. So I do the same and press enter. Okay, great. Now I can add that text on here. So I can add what the heck is that? Let's get what will be the good font is railway. Railway is great font. Then size will be smaller, 50 ways. Let me reduce the size from here, and I will add it as 25. So this is not a Photoshop tutorial, so I will not talk lot about Photoshop in this tutorial. So 15 ways to 15 online jobs. Let's add this one like this, and I have to add separator like this, and dun, dun, dun. Now I need to change color. Tada! Now I need to add some drop shadow. What about that? Let's reduce the size. Yeah, that will be cool. Okay, great. This is our image. Now I have to save this image. So I go to File, Export and Save from Web. Then I am going to save. Okay, I save the image. Now I have to go to my website media and click on add new. I just click add media and I am going to upload that file. Then okay, now I am copy this path. After that I go to my post and paste that part here. What the heck? No, I just click I just click the upload image and select it and use image. Then I am done. Now I have to update this file. After that I am going to Facebook debugger, share in debugger and click on debug. It may take some time, so yeah, it's not still update. If you didn't show the update image, you have to remove the cache and try it again. So I will try it within 5 minutes. Okay, nice. Now it shows. So our image was replaced and our title was replaced, also our description. So like this. So this is the best way to upload your image or your article to social media. So if I use my normal article thumbnail and title, it will not so engaging. So if I mention some text on that thumbnail and add customized description and title, it will more engaging. So this is the easy way to create customized thumbnail for social media. So I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you in next one.